everyone. This is Shasta from Express Fairway Freight. Our today's topic is related to food product registration, means what is food product registration and how to register food product in Dubai Municipality. First of all, we will discuss about what is food product registration. Food product registration is a process of submit information about products in the Dubai Municipality portal using product unique barcodes. The Dubai Municipality checks the information on the product label whether it is as per DM guideline. Also checks on the ingredient of a food item and may ask for lab testing to verify the quality and safety of a consumers, which is usually done at the time of inspection on the port. Now I will guide you how to register food product in Dubai Municipality. First of all, we need a UAE based trading license to register food product with Dubai Municipality. First requirement is a UAE based company with food trading or general trading activity. Second is register the company with DM portal. In this step, you have to register your company with Dubai Municipality portal to access online service. Then create application for food product registration. Create online application in FIRS system with required information of the product and upload the list of documents as per Dubai Municipality guideline. Then submit the application. Once all the documents are uploaded and everything is set, submit the application and wait for the response. Documents required for the product registration are the artwork of the product and product image. Label requirements. It is mandatory to have information on a product label of food packaging in Arabic. However, there is an option to have information on both English and Arabic, but the content should be exactly the same in all languages. The minimum requirement for the information on label are brand name, product name, ingredients arranged in descending order according to weight or volume, country of origin, manufacturer details, product barcode, batch number, net weight or volume. If you need any other guidance and have any other questions, please feel free to contact us. I will leave our contact details in description box. Thank you.